Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to normalize audio in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and normalize audio in Bandlab. First of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device, and go to your project and select the audio track you want to, of course, then go and normalize. Click on Editor button at the top of the screen, and use the region gain slider to adjust the gain level of the audio region. Move the slider to the right to increase the gain or to the left to decrease it. To normalize the audio, you can use the normalize function in the editor. This will adjust the audio so that the loudest peak at a specific level, usually 0 dB or -1 dB. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.